How to log in into People's Pension account. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up any web browser that you prefer in your laptop or desktop. And on the search URL, type in People Pensions Login. After that, click on this first link on your interface. Now you'll get to this interface. Now, you can either log in as a member or employer or advisor. So select according to your preferences. Here I will go with this member login, then click on member login. You can also log in with your employer or your advisor account as well. After that, you'll be taken into login page. So first of all, you have to enter your email address associated with your account. Make sure you enter the valid email address. Under that, enter your password. Make sure you type in your correct password. In case you forgot your password, there is a link to recover your password as well. Click on it, follow some instructions, and then you will be able to recover your password. Once you're done typing in your username and password, click on this login button. After that, you will be logged into your People's Pension account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.